The Global Crypto Adoption Index ranks 154 countries, based on 4 key metrics. This year has brought a change in fate for cryptocurrencies. The bear market that ensued after the peak reached in Dec. 2017 led many to see the digital assets with skepticism. While the prices of the cryptos are still nowhere close to the levels reached almost 3 years ago, the cryptocurrencies have seen a move towards global adoption in 2020.
Chainalysis, a reputed blockchain analysis company, has come up with a crypto adoption index, based on objective measures rather than anecdotal evidence, to see if cryptocurrencies are in fact becoming a global phenomenon.
In the recently published The 2020 Geography of Cryptocurrency report, they used a methodology incorporating 4 key metrics to find out the trends in global adoption and usage of cryptos. The broader global picture is presented in the infographic above.
A total of 154 countries were analyzed based on the metrics described below and given a score on a scale of 0 to 1, the latter representing the highest score. Cryptocurrencies included in the analysis were: currencies included BET, BEACH, BEAD, BX, PUS, FRO, REIT, FF, LO, FUS, ICH, FUS, RITN, LIO, LINK, LT, MFO, FRFO, WON, PAX, PAX, TAB, PLUS, VUST, PUST, ZIL, Z, 40 metrics were as follows.
On-chain cryptocurrency value received, weighted by purchasing power parity (PPP) per capita.
On-chain retail value transferred, weighted by PPP per capita. Number of on-chain cryptocurrency deposits, weighted by the number of internet users.
Peer-to-peer (PP) exchange trade volume, weighted by PPP per capita and number of internet users. Top 10 countries of global crypto adoption index. Out on the chart above, Figure 1 highlights how well spread is the top 10 list globally. The absence of a European country was noticeable. The presence of Kenya, 0.645, at number 5 showed that the digital currencies craze is also spreading to developing countries with low tech penetration. Ukraine grabbed the top honors with a maximum possible score of 1, followed by Russia 0.931, China 0.672, and the United States 0.627, were at number 4 and number 6 respectively. The methodology employed meant any country scoring 0 in any of the 4 metrics would be scored at a 0 for its overall index score. The following 12 countries were placed in this category. However, a 0 score didn't mean that these countries had no cryptocurrency activity, it just indicated they had very little of it. Amongst these lowest ranked nations were Afghanistan, Algeria, Cape Verde, Chad, Fiji, Laos, Libya, Mongolia, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, West Bank and Gaza and Zimbabwe.
Let us move on to the regional breakdowns of cryptocurrency activity from July 2019 to June 2020.
Africa, despite having the smallest crypto economy, 2% of total, of all the regions, with $8.0 billion worth having been received and $8.1 billion sent on-chain during the time period, the digital assets have, nonetheless, created immense value for its users in the region, letting them stave off economic instability, offering low-fee remittances and an alternative way to save.
Northern and Western Europe sent the highest value, 23%, of cryptos to Africa, while East Asia with 31% was the biggest recipient of cryptos from Africa. The onset of the pandemic has sharply increased the interest in cryptos in the region. Figure 2. Nigeria, South Africa and Kenya were the 3 representatives for the African continent in the top 10 crypto markets. Central and Southern Asia and Oceania, home to many of the developing countries, this region ranks 5th in crypto traffic among the 8 regions analyzed. Heavy activity in the retail sector suggested that users may be turning to cryptocurrency for remittances and possibly even everyday transactions.
Crypto transactions here comprise 12% of the total value processed globally, with East Asia being the biggest regional counterpart, with 29% sent there and 28% received from there. Figure 3.
Just like Africa, the crypto activity picked up after the pandemic lockdown.
East Asia is evident from 31%. East Asia is the world's largest cryptocurrency market. The region received $107 billion worth of cryptocurrency in the time period, which is 77% more than Northern and Western Europe, the second highest receiving region.
Also, the region is the counterparty to most of the other regions analyzed in the report. East Asia is home to a large trading population with the most professional and liquid gear. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.